In early February, around February 9th, there was a 5-day period when about 30 robberies happened in Minneapolis. The Minneapolis Police Department was very clear that they felt that all of those robberies had been committed by the same youth. They also believed that those robberies had been committed by youth who had stolen a car or cars. The Minneapolis Police Department gave us, at the county attorney's office, 5 cases for potential charging. We were able to charge 4 of those youth. It's important to understand that simply because a youth may be found in a stolen car does not mean that we can prove that they stole the car. It also doesn't mean that they were in the car at the time it was used to commit a robbery. At the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, we have to rely on the investigation of the Minneapolis Police Department to tie together all of the evidence that would allow us to prove that a particular young person was in a stolen car at the time and actively participated in the robbery. We were able to charge 4 of those youth, but none of them for the robberies that happened. One was charged with fleeing a police officer. One was charged with being in possession of a gun. After that, 2 of our supervisors spent a great deal of time reading all 30 police reports, trying to identify patterns, put together the pieces to help MPD investigate. This was an important public safety issue, and so our supervisors were willing to put in that work to help the Minneapolis Police Department try to apprehend the people who were responsible for these crimes. This past weekend, February 25th, there were another series of robberies. Using the information that our staff created for them and their own investigation, the Minneapolis Police Department brought us 7 cases. We were able to charge 5 of those youth with robbery, but none of those 7 youth were part of any cases given to us from those robberies that happened in early February. Here at the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, we care deeply about public safety. That's why 2 of our supervisors spent a great deal of time trying to help the Minneapolis Police Department in their investigation. If we are brought cases with proof where youth are committing violent crimes, we will charge them and hold them accountable.